If you need to cancel your eBay subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Go to the eBay website and enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions or Selling section. Here, you will find details about your current subscriptions and listings. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Locate the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details and look for the option to cancel or manage the subscription. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy and ensure that you complete the process by confirming your decision. After completing these steps, your eBay subscription should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for assistance.